Hey, Dr. Bateman, this is my lab 8. We'll start with the light bulb one. Pretty simple. I have the main layout. Honestly, actually, isn't even a thing, so I can just delete that. I have the light on image view and a light off image view. Oops. Yeah. Light on, light off, and I just pulled these directly from that Word document. Anyways. Yeah, these are just basic image views. And the real stuff is in the main activity. So what I've got a shake threshold of 2.7F, which is like Earth gravity, I believe. I pulled some code off of some logic off of Stack Overflow. Anyways, got sensor manager, sensor accelerometer, and in the onCreate, I'm setting the content view to light off and instantiating these variables. Blah blah blah. This is the real logic. We've got an x-axis value, a y-axis value, a z-axis value. We're dividing that by gravity to get a sensor value of about 1. Then we're doing some math here to have see what our g-forces are at. And then finally, the threshold, which, as I discussed, is 2.7F. Then I have a Boolean variable called isLightOn that is keeping track of whether or not the light is on. So essentially, we've got our light bulb here, pull up these extended controls, move it around, shake the light bulb, turns on and off, sets the content view to different stuff. So that's pretty simple, and I shouldn't have closed that, but oh well. Next, we've got the roaming ball. We've got our frozen computer because I closed my emulator. Okay, and anyways, ball constructor class, pretty simple, nothing you haven't seen before. This is the main activity. This is the big meat of it. Same thing as the light bulb. We've got our sensor and sensor manager. This time we have a layout inflator because we're inflating that ball view, and a thread to do all the math for the movement. Blah blah blah. This is just the top, bottom, left, and right of the screen. These are just text views. We're adding the ball here, setting the variables. This is some more ball logic. It's where it's going to start out, what the velocity is going to be, where the top and the bottom is. Here's our sensor listener, and it registers here, unregisters on the pause. Here's the main meat of it. When the sensor changes, we'll set the ball velocity to x and y, and set the text to x, y, z. This is just required for the implementation of the sensor event listener. And then this runnable handles that ball movement we talked about earlier. Just does all the math there and sets the velocity, or sets the x and y coordinates of the ball. So real briefly, let's go over that. Check that out. Once again, we're going to be using these extended controls. As you see right now, the y-axis is at 9.81, or Earth's gravity. If we put the yaw over here, we'll see different XYZ coordinates. Yeah, so the ball just kind of follows the accelerometer. Let's get this upright. Stop this program. And just real quick, here's the layouts. Just a ball image view. Yeah, that's pretty much everything for that one. Finally, we've got the compass. Let's just show it off real quick. Oh crap, I have to rebuild it. Okay, we'll just rebuild it real quick while or clean it. And then, well, let's see if this works. Check out the logic behind it first. Again, we've got this image view. Right. And then we've got our degree or our current rotation of the compass and a sensor manager and magnetometer. We're just instantiating all of these things in the onCreate. More of the same. Here's our unregister. Here's the meat of the program right here. It will make a delay for the compass to move. This checks these event values. If the accelerometer is not null and the geomagnetic is not null, we'll set these arrays up. Find the new rotation, etc., etc. Will it run now? Okay. So there, we'll rotate it. Let's just get these extended controls back. Set it up to normal. Change the yaw, the compass changes. Change the pitch. Flip the phone. Whoa, it's going crazy. Flip the phone, and we'll. I guess it makes sense when the yaw. Let's roll it. What happens then? Okay, yeah. So when we roll it, that's when it really best tells us what direction we're moving. But yeah, that's it for the compass, and that is it for my Lab 8. Thank you for watching.